Imagine this. You're on the ocean waves, relaxing after a lifetime of hard work, while other passengers think the free stuff on the cruise is just the buffet, pool, and nightly shows. But the truth? There are 25 secret free perks that cruise companies hide from regular guests, and they're yours if you know how to ask. Today, I'll reveal the insider secrets that can save you hundreds of dollars on a cruise and turn your vacation into pure luxury. Stay till the end. The final tip unlocks VIP treatment that rarely anyone gets. Let's dive in. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. I bring daily cruise hacks and travel tips like this. Now, starting from number 25. Number 25, priority boarding shortcut. Most people think the only way to board early is paid priority or elite status. But the reality? If you arrive at the end of the embarkation window, when staff wants to clear the terminal, they might let you straight in. Often, your cabin is ready and luggage is at the door. What to say? We're here for check-in. Is there an expedited late open right now? Pro tip: arrive 60 to 90 minutes before final boarding, look polished, smile. Small kindnesses make staff eager to speed you through. Number 24, free beach and pool towels. Don't hoard big ones in your room. The ship provides fresh towels at the pool deck and gangway. Return them for zero charge. What to say? Can I get a few towels to take to the beach today? Pro tip: return to the same station. Keeps your account clean. Number 23, specialty coffee at breakfast buffet. Many ships have baristas near the buffet during breakfast, making lattes, cappuccinos, or iced coffee for free, especially early morning. What to say? Can I get a vanilla cappuccino? Pro tip: go early. Staff is less busy and will customize to your liking. Number 22, extra blankets and pillows. Did anyone tell you cabins can provide more blankets, pillows, or even mattress toppers? Game changer in cold spots like Alaska. What to say? Can we get extra blankets and 2 more pillows in the cabin? Pro tip: ask on day 1 for comfort the whole trip. Number 21, free shuttles in ports. Some ports have free authority shuttles. Cruise lines prefer selling theirs, but a free option often exists. What to say? Is there a complimentary port shuttle running today? Pro tip: disembark early. Free ones fill fast, giving you more tour time.
Number 20, rewards from activity points. Trivia, scavenger hunts, deck games earn points, redeemable for branded souvenirs or items. What to say? Which activities today give redeemable points? Pro tip: look for special icons in the daily planner, events where points rack up fast. Number 19, hidden saunas and steam rooms. Locker rooms in the fitness center often have small, free saunas or steam rooms. Big thermal suites are promoted, but these are less crowded. What to say? Are the locker area sauna/steam rooms available today? Pro tip: go early morning, usually empty on port days. Number 18, free fitness and wellness classes. Many are complimentary: morning walks, light yoga, dance lessons, or wellness seminars. Check the daily schedule. What to say? Which fitness classes are complimentary this week? Pro tip: attend early in the cruise. Instructor energy is high, class size small. Number 17, hidden loyalty tier perks. Ask your loyalty host for the full benefits list. Often free laundry, specialty dining, or surprise upgrades are tucked away. What to say? Please tell me all the benefits for my loyalty level. Pro tip: ask again on day 1. Perks can vary by ship or itinerary. Number 16, free casino gaming lessons. On port days when the casino is closed, dealers often give free lessons: blackjack, roulette, or poker basics. What to say? Is there a complimentary game lesson scheduled in the casino today? Pro tip: arrive first and sit close to the dealer. Smaller groups get more guidance. Number 15, free souvenir giveaways at port talks. Many port presentations give away free tops, keychains, or vouchers, giveaways for attendees. What to say? Are there any giveaways in today's port talk? Pro tip: sit up front and participate. Most enthusiastic guests win extras. Number 14, backstage snack tours. On embarkation day, some complimentary quick tours of galleys or crew areas run. What to say? Is there a complimentary ship tour available today or tomorrow? Pro tip: head to the meeting point as soon as scheduled. Spots fill quick. Number 13, free first aid and seasickness remedies. Guest services or medical center often provide basic meds, band-aids, and anti-nausea pills for free. What to say? Do you have free seasickness tablets or basic first aid items? Pro tip: grab a few early in the trip, handy in rough weather. Number 12. Invites from crew and insider events. Friendly vibe with staff can get you occasional invites to crew events, talent shows, galley backstage, or small gatherings. What to say? Can guests join any crew events? Pro tip: show politeness, gratitude, respect. Crew loves returning the favor. Number 11. Room service breakfast loophole. On many ships, continental room service is free if you hang the order form overnight. Coffee, juice, pastries, fruit. What to say? Is continental room service free for tomorrow morning? Pro tip: pick the earliest slot. Sunrise breakfast on the balcony is magical.
Number 10. Free laundry on longer cruises. 2-week or repositioning cruises often include a free laundry day or loyalty credits. What to say? Is there a complimentary laundry day or loyalty credit on this voyage? Pro tip: pack light and plan around laundry day. Save space too. Number 9. Off-menu dining requests. The main menu isn't your limit. Chefs handle all special orders. What to say? Is an off-menu order possible for tonight? Pro tip: talk to the maitre d'. Once they know your tastes, surprises may come. Number 8. Loyalty program transition benefits. When lines change programs, you might temporarily get benefits from both systems. Prime time to gain more. What to say? During the loyalty program change, will I get benefits from both systems? Pro tip: watch company announcements. Asking at transition unlocks extras. Number 7. Hidden suite level amenities. Suites or mini suites often include daily canapes, premium coffee, or priority reservations, but you have to ask, what complimentary amenities come with my category cabin? Pro tip: inquire on day 1. The sooner you know, the more days you enjoy. Number 6. Environmental and sustainability perks. Join beach cleanups or conservation talks. Often earn refillable bottles, certificates, or special access. What to say? Are there complimentary environmental activities or rewards? Pro tip: contact the ship's environment officer. Low-key events have the best ops. Number 5. Premium ice cream and gelato beyond the buffet. Pool bars or snap counters often scoop premium ice cream or gelato. Just ask, is any ice cream or gelato available right now? Pro tip: mid-afternoon visits. Staff is relaxed, extra flavors to try. Number 4. Unlisted champagne events. Art auctions, jewelry previews, or loyalty gatherings often include small champagne events, free drinks if you attend. What to say? Is there an art or jewelry event today guests can join? Pro tip: dress smart and arrive early. Your style helps blend in. Number 3. Digital concierge hacks. Ship apps often have AI concierges softer than humans at saying yes, instant dining reservations, or spa slots. What to say? I'd like to request a spa appointment or dining reservation. Please confirm availability. Pro tip: mention celebrations or loyalty flags in the app. Boosts approval odds. Number 2. Free desserts and surprise treats. In the main dining room, you can often request extra sweets. Waiters happily oblige for celebrations or just to please. What to say? Can we try some extra dessert tonight? Pro tip: build rapport with your waiter. Kindness often returns as sweetness. Number 1. Secret VIP treatment, the most powerful.